Hi, third graders. Today for your science assignment, you are going to create a visual, that means something that you can see, that will show me what your understanding is of ecosystems. So your assignment is to read page 132 of your science book. This is your science book. 132 to page 138. The reason you need to read this carefully is because in this reading, it shows you information about the different types of ecosystems. We learn about the desert ecosystem. We learn about the grassland ecosystems, the saltwater ecosystems, the freshwater ecosystem, and the forest ecosystem. So you're going to use the information from this reading to create your assignment. Okay, here's what you're going to do. You're going to need to start with a blank piece of paper. If you don't have a completely blank piece of paper, you are more than welcome to do this with lined paper. So what you want to do first is draw a line. You're going to make 4 boxes. Draw a line right down the middle, and then the other direction, so that you have 4 equal boxes. And then I'm going to erase the middle because I'm going to put what this paper is about, and this is about ecosystems. So I'm going to write the word ecosystems. Pause the video as you need in order to catch up with me. Then I'm going to draw a circle around it. And then you're going to actually have 5 different ecosystems. I'll show you how you're going to do that. Up here in this top corner, you're going to write desert. And I'll give you the page number. You'll find that on page 134. So this is going to be where you're going to give me information about the desert ecosystem. So I'm going to draw myself 2 lines to describe what animals, plants, and the weather would be like in the desert ecosystem. In this part down here, you're going to draw pictures of the types of plants and animals that live in the desert ecosystem. And I'll put illustration just so you know that you're going to be drawing a picture. And I'd love to see lots of color. So again, up here, you're going to describe the desert ecosystem. And this is all from the text also. So tell me what the desert ecosystem's weather is like, the type of plants, the type of animals you would see there. And then in this box, you're going to make a picture, draw a picture of the plants and animals that you would find in the desert. Okay, the next ecosystem that you're going to do in this box is the grassland. Grasslands ecosystem is going to be found on page 135. You're going to do the same thing here. I'm going to make at least 2 lines. If you need more space to write, please make more. This is where, again, you're going to describe the grassland ecosystem. What is the weather like? What animals live there? What plants would you find there? And again, down here, you're going to draw pictures of the different types of plants and animals that live in the grasslands. And you can use the information on page 135 to help you with that. Okay, now this box, we're going to divide this into 2 parts. So down the middle, this side is going to be the saltwater ecosystem. So this will be our water box, the whole box. But this side is going to be the saltwater ecosystem on page 136. And this side is going to be the freshwater ecosystem. And that's going to be on page 137. Then I'm going to draw some more lines so that I can describe my ecosystem for both saltwater and then the freshwater. Tell me what the difference is between those 2 ecosystems and give me some information about plants and animals that live there. And then down here, you're going to do your drawing. So again, another illustration on plants and animals that live in these ecosystems. And then the last ecosystem that you're going to be writing about and drawing about is the forest ecosystem, and you'll find that on page 138. So again, I'm going to draw some lines to help give me room to describe the forest ecosystem, and then down here you'll do another illustration of the plants and animals that live in those ecosystems. So read carefully, make sure you use the information from the text to help you describe the different ecosystems, and also the photographs to help you with your pictures. If you have any questions, send them to me in Schoology. Have a great day, and I can't wait to see, oh, one last thing, I can't wait to see your work. On your paper somewhere, I want to see your name so that I know who the wonderful work belongs to. All right, have a great day, boys and girls.